Hello everyone, I am Dr. Miguel Brianes. So this afternoon, I will teach you a simple solving method we use in the hospital. Let's talk about pharma, nursing pharma. So the main formula na kailangan nating tandaan is this one, D over H times Q, where D stands for the doctor's order, the H is the drug on hand, and the Q is the quantity. Okay, for this, you have to know muna kung ano yung mga different types of medications we give. We have the physical medications such as the tablets, mga capsules, yan, mga tawag yan, druggies. Then, there are the syrups, mga suspensions. Okay, so the difference between them is like ano na to, yung mga physical or mga tablets, yung Q nila is the tablet itself. Let's say this paracetamol is 500 milligrams per tablet. Okay, so the drug on hand, 500 milligrams per tablet is the quantity. Okay, now this one, the syrup, is paracetamol 250 milligrams per 5 ml. That's the preparation niya. So if that's the preparation, the drug on hand is 250 milligrams and yung quantity niya is 5 ml. So in 5 ml, there's 250. So if it's 2.5 ml, that's 125 milligrams. If it's mga less than that, so solve nyo na tapos. So that's how we do it. For example, ako, doctor, mag-order ako. Give the patient paracetamol 1,000 milligrams. Okay, so that's the D, 1,000 milligrams. Then, the drug on hand is 500 milligrams per tablet. So, 1,000 milligrams divided by 5, that's 2, times 1, equals 2. So, cancel out lang yung milligrams, and 2 tablets. So, what you will give, please give the patient 2 tablets of paracetamol na 500 milligrams in order to get the 1,000 milligrams. Now, let's another question. So the patient, give the patient paracetamol 500 milligrams, yun din. However, yung patient mo is bata, it's a kid, so hindi niya kayang mag-swallow ng tabletas, so you use the syrup. So for this age group, let's say 5 years old, we give the 250 per 5 ml. Now, so 500 milligrams, the doctor's order, tapos ating 250 milligrams na drug on hand, times quantity natin na 5 ml. 500 divided by 250 equals 2, times 5 ml equals 10 ml. So, give the patient 10 ml of paracetamol 250 milligrams per 5 ml every 4 hours as needed for fever. So, yun yung ano natin, direction. Medications wise, paracetamol, let's talk paracetamol. Iba-iba yung preparations niya. So, for adults, there are 500 milligram tablets. And for kids, there are 250 milligrams per 5 ml. That's the syrup. There are 1 to 5 milligrams per 5 ml. And there are 100 milligrams per 1 ml. Yan yung drops. Yan yung pinaka mababa. Let's say, let's talk about drops. Okay, so 100 milligrams per 1 ml. So the patient weighs 9 kilograms. Okay, now as doctors, we have to solve kung ano yung recommended dose for them. So for the patient, for paracetamol, it's 10 milligrams per kilogram. So 10 milligrams per kilogram. Now the patient weighs 9 kilogram. So 10 times 9 equals 90 milligrams. Again, the recommended dose for patient is 10 milligrams per kilogram every 4 hours. So the patient weighs 9 kilograms. So 10 milligrams times 9 kilograms equals 90 milligrams. That's the doctor's order. So yung available mo is 100 milligrams per 1 ml. So what do we do? 90 milligrams divided by 100 milligrams times 1 ml is equal to 0.9 ml. So you give the patient 0.9 ml of paracetamol drops, which is 100 milligrams per 1 ml every 4 hours as needed for temperature 37.8 and above.
What the fuck? No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay, so that's how you do it.